Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Do you have dirty, stained, dingy looking white clothes that don't look as bright as they used to? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to bring your white clothes back to life. First, I recommend if you have deep set in stains to treat them first with your spot and stain remover. You can use any one that you have at home. So I'm just spraying mine and then rubbing it in with the toothbrush to really get it into the fabric. So what you will need is some type of bucket, container, bathtub, whatever you want to use. Fill it with warm water and 1 cup of the OxiClean White Revive. Make sure you stir it around so it gets all dissolved. Then go ahead and add in all of your dingy white clothes. I'm just giving them a good mix and stirring it around. You can see it working almost instantly. This water is turning brown fast. So what you're going to want to do is let your clothes soak for 6 hours. After the 6 hours, you will just take your clothes out of the dirty water and kind of wring them out. Then we'll be throwing them in the washer and washing them one more time. I'm washing mine on warm cold using regular detergent and 1 more scoop of the White Revive. And just like that, these white clothes are brought back to life. Look at that. They look so much better. I'm always impressed with the socks. But that is all that I have for you guys in this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me some comments, subscribe. That really helps my channel. And if there's anything you want me to clean next, leave me some comments below.